Okay, good morning. Good afternoon.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Are you fine, all of you?
Alhamdulillah, yes, sir.
Okay, so how many have participated? Where are others? I see only 32 persons have been participated. Okay. So, all of you fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the last class we have finished what is called the scalar, then the vector and their definitions, then the vector algebra and other things. And we have solved few problems also. So in this class, this is probably the second class, isn't it? Third
Yes,
class.
sir.
This is the third class. So today we will go for the dot and cross product, right? The dot or the scalar product. The dot or the scalar product of two vectors A and B. How it is denoted? Denoted by A dot B. Okay. It is read as A dot B and is defined as the product. Do you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you face any problem, you please tell me.
Okay, sir.
Defined as the product of the magnitudes. Product as the product of the magnitudes of vector A and B, and the cosine of the angle between them, and the cosine of the angle theta between them. Okay. So symbolically, in symbol, we can write like this. In symbols, we can write A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, where theta is greater or equal to 0, less or equal to pi. Clear? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you written? Have you written this? Can I rub it?
Yes, sir. লেখা হয়েছে, sir.
Okay. So this is the definition of the dot product, right? I think these are very simple thing. You have also done it in intermediate, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for the dot product, the following products, these are the things valid. Suppose A dot B is equal to B dot A, right? Then A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C, right? Then number 3, M into A dot B is equal to MA dot B is equal to A dot MB, right? Is equal to A dot BM. So all these things are valid, right? And also we can write I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K. These are equal to 1. Understood? What is I dot I? I is the I, J, K. These are the unit vectors. I is in the direction of x-axis, J is in the direction of y-axis, and K is in the direction of z-axis. Okay. So I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1. You have to remember this thing. Also I dot J is equal to J dot K is equal to K dot I. This is equal to 0. Understood? And if A and B are two vectors like this, if A is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K, and B is equal to, B is a vector, B1I, B2J, B3K, then A dot B is what? Do you know? A, then A dot B will be A1, B1 plus A2, B2 plus A3, B3. Clear? Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And A dot A, what will be A dot A? A dot A will be A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. And what will be B dot B? B dot B will be B1 square, B2 square plus B3 square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And also if A dot B is equal to 0 and A and B are not null vectors, and A and B are not null vectors. What is null vectors? Who can say? Then A and B are what? কি হবে? যদি
Sir,
A dot B equal to A dot B equal to 0 হয়, and if A and B vector are not null vectors, then A and B are perpendiculars. Clear?
Yes,
এগুলি
sir.
মনে রাখতে হবে,
Yes, sir.
perpendiculars. Right? Okay. Now let us go for these are the scalar vector, the dot product. Dot product, and dot product is also sometimes told it is the scalar product. Okay. Now, let us go for the cross product. Can I rub it? Are you writing all these things? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will check at the end of the class. I will tell you to show it to me.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
And you may open your video and I may ask anyone that you have to show what you have written. Clear? I may ask any one of you to open your video and to show the things which I'm writing in the board and which you are writing. Clear? So remember, do not sleep. So these are the scalar product. These are the characteristics of the scalar product. All these things you have to remember, and these things are very easy. Vector itself is very easy if you understand. Now the cross and another thing you must remind me before 5 minutes. Your class will be over at 1:40, isn't it?
Yes, sir. 140.
So you will remind me at 1:35. That means at 1:30 you will remind me, because I have to finish within that 5 minutes the class, and at 1:35 I will go for the roll call. Clear?
Okay, sir.
The cross or vector product. Cross or vector product. So what is that? The cross or vector product of A, vector A and B is another vector, is a vector C. This is equal to written like this, A cross B, and it is defined. The magnitude of A cross B is defined as the product of the magnitudes of vector A and B, and the sine of the angle theta and the sine of the angle theta between them. Okay. That means A cross B is equal to magnitude of AV sine theta. U is the unit vector. Why it is like this? Theta is the unit vector in the direction of z axis. Okay, that means in the direction of the plane where the vector A and B lies. Clear? In the direction
Yes, sir.
perpendicular to the plane of vector A and B. Understood? ঠিক আছে, so it is a vector. The cross product of two vectors is again a vector. Clear?
Yes.
So if A and B are equal, then what happens? Then sin theta is equal to 0, isn't it? If A and B is equal, then the angle between A and B will be what?
0.
0. So that times A cross B will be 0. Okay? বুঝতে পেরেছ? Then A cross B is a null vector. মনে রাখতে হবে. These are very minor things. And in the exam also comes sometimes the definition. And you have to remember another thing, that the things the exactly from the class note you may not get in the exam. You will get in a different way. So you have to understand the things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the following things are valid for the cross product. A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. Okay. A cross B cross C is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. Then M into M cross, not cross, M into A cross B is equal to MA cross B is equal to A cross MB is equal to A cross B into N. These are the things valid. Okay. Also, I cross J is equal to K. Oh, sorry. Right.
Yes, sir. I cross J is equal to K.
I cross J. Okay, I will write it later on. I cross I is equal to what? J cross J is equal to K cross K. And this is equal to what?
0,
This
sir.
is equal to 0. Again, I cross J is equal to what? K. Then J cross K is equal to what? I.
I.
And then K cross I is equal to what? Is equal to J. So these are the things you have to remember. Okay. Always you should remember this thing. And another thing is, if A is A1I, A2J, A3K, and B is equal to B1I, B2J, B3K, then A cross B can be written in determinant form. It is I.
নাম্বার লাইনের
J-
লাস্টের ওটা কি এম হবে না? 3 নাম্বার
yes,
লাইন।
M. Right, very good. So these are the M, right?
Sir, sir, I think in the second line it should be A cross B plus C.
Yes, this is A cross B. So you understand. Understood? A cross B plus A cross C, and this should be plus. So if you understand, you can find out the mistake, isn't it? So this will be A1, A2, A3, and this was B1, B2, B3. Clear? বুঝতে পেরেছ? যদি a এবং b in component form we can write a and b like that, and then the a cross b will be in determinant form this. এটা মনে রাখতে হবে, and these all are very easy to remember because there is a mathematical pattern is there. Okay, in vector everywhere you will get a mathematical pattern, একটা pattern আছে, sequence আছে, so একটা cycle আছে, so it is very easy to remember. Can I rub it?
5 নাম্বারটা একটু আচ্ছা,
If a is equal to a1i a2j a3k and b is equal to b1i b2j plus b3k, এটা হলো ভেক্টর a কে আমরা এইভাবে লিখতে পারি, ভেক্টর b কে এইভাবে লিখতে পারি। তাহলে আমরা a cross b, এটা হলো ক্রস প্রোডাক্ট অফ দিস টু ভেক্টর a and v can be written in determinant form. ফার্স্ট রোতে হবে i j k, সেকেন্ড রোতে হবে ভেক্টর a এর কম্পোনেন্ট, থার্ড রোতে হবে ভেক্টর b এর কম্পোনেন্ট। ক্লিয়ার?
ক্লিয়ার স্যার।
Okay, now can I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. আচ্ছা, ট্রিপল প্রোডাক্ট অফ ভেক্টরস। আমরা কিন্তু যদি a b and c আর 3 ভেক্টরস হয় তাহলে আমরা a ডট লিখতে পারি, দেন a ডট b ক্রস c is equal to b dot c cross a is equal to c dot a cross b. এটাকে বলা হয় ভেক্টর ট্রিপল প্রোডাক্ট, এবং এটা হচ্ছে দি ভলিউম অফ দি প্যারালেলোপাইপড। হ্যাঁ, এবং এটার যে ম্যাগনিটিউডটা সেটা হচ্ছে দিস আর দি স্কেলার কোয়ান্টিটি, তাই না? a ডট b ক্রস c এটা কি স্কেলার কোয়ান্টিটি না? a ডট b ক্রস c,
Yes, sir. Scalar.
হ্যাঁ, b ডট c ক্রস a, this is also scalar. c dot a cross b, these are also scalar quantity. এবং হচ্ছে এই স্কেলার কোয়ান্টিটিটা আমরা কি বুঝি এটা দিয়ে? these are indicated and these things, this is equal to, এই জিনিসটাকে আমরা বুঝি ভলিউম অফ এ প্যারালেলোপাইপড, ভলিউম অফ এ parallelopiped. Parallelopiped কি? Having A, B and C as edges. What is parallelopiped? Who can say? And if vector A is equal to a1i, a2j, a3k, B is equal to b1i, b2j, b3k, and C is equal to c1i, c2j, c3k, then A dot B cross C, A dot B cross C can be written in determinant form like this: A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay, বুঝতে পেরেছ?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ, হোয়াট ইজ প্যারালেলোপাইপড? কে বলতে পারবে?
Sir,
dimension of বস্তু
হ্যাঁ,
suppose every side is a parallelogram, sir. মানে every
no,
plane.
এটা হচ্ছে তোমার ইয়েস প্যারালেলো, তার মানে হচ্ছে এটা একটা ঘনবস্তু। প্যারালেলোপাইপড বলতে আমরা একটা ঘনবস্তুকে বুঝি, ঠিক আছে? একটা স্কয়ার কি? একটা কিউব, একটা কিউব হচ্ছে তোমার একটা ঘনক, তাই না? আর হচ্ছে যখন সেটাকে আমরা কিউবের all the sides are equal, if all the sides are not equal, that time it has become parallelopiped. Okay, like this. ঠিক আছে? এই এটা একটা কি হলো, parallelopiped, কারণ এই সাইড, this side are not equal, but the opposite sides are equal. ঠিক আছে? It's just like a brick. একটা ব্রিক হচ্ছে রেক্টেঙ্গুলার প্যারালেলোপাইপড, একটা ব্রিকের ইটের যে একটা শেপ। ঠিক আছে, বুঝতে পেরেছ? আন্ডারস্টুড? ক্যান আই রাব ইট?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
এটাকে বলা হয় রেক্টেঙ্গুলার প্যারালেলোপাইপড। আচ্ছা, তো আমরা হচ্ছে লেট আস সি ওয়ান প্রবলেম, আমরা একটু দুই একটা অঙ্ক করি। ঠিক আছে, যেমন নাম্বার 5, ইভালুয়েট দি ফলোইং। I dot I is equal to what? কিভাবে করব? I dot I, এটাকে যদি আমরা ডট প্রোডাক্ট করি, ম্যাগনিটিউড অফ I, তাই না? ম্যাগনিটিউড অফ I ইনটু ম্যাগনিটিউড অফ I into cos, and vector I and vector I are these two vectors are in the same line, so the angle between them is what? What will be angle?
0, 0, 0.
0. So this is equal to the magnitude of I is what? 1.
1.
Magnitude of I is 1. And what is cos 0? Cos 0 is also 1. So this is equal to 1. Clear? বুঝতে পেরেছ? I dot j. I dot j is what? This is magnitude of I into magnitude of j into cos of what? What is the angle between I and j? I is in the direction of 90 degree. I is in the direction of x-axis and j is in the direction of y-axis. So the angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degree, isn't it? So this is equal to 1, 1, and what is cos 90? Cos 90 is what?
Sir, 0.
0. So this is equal to 0. Okay? Clear? Similarly, k dot j is also same. ওইভাবে আমরা k dot j also 0. এবার আমরা আরেকটা অঙ্ক করি। j dot twice I minus thrice j plus k, এটা কি হবে? This is equal to, আমরা যদি করি এটাকে সিম্পলিফাই করি, কি হবে? 2 into
-3.
2 into j dot I minus 3 into j dot j plus 3 into not 3. This is it. This is equal to plus j dot k. So what is this? J dot I is what? J dot I কত হবে?
0, sir.
0. So this is 2 into 0. 3 into what is j dot j?
1.
1. And what is j dot k?
0, sir. 0.
0. So we can write it. This is equal to -3. So the magnitude or the value of this dot product, the scalar product, is a scalar quantity. Then and it is -3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
এবার আরেকটা অঙ্ক করো। Find the angle between A and B. This is number 8. Find the angle. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Vector A is 2i plus 2j minus k, and vector V is equal to 6i minus thrice j plus 2k. So what will be the angle between these two vectors? So we know the things A dot B is equal to AV cos theta, isn't it?
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
theta is equal to cos inverse what? A dot B divided by AB. Okay. So now you find out what is A dot B. Now, A dot B is equal to what? 2i plus 2j minus k dot B is equal to 6i minus thrice j plus 2k. So this is what, how we can write?
Sir, 12 minus. Sir, 12 minus 6 plus, yes, minus 2, sir.
4.
That means 2 into 6. I dot I is 1, isn't it? And other things are 0.
Yes, sir.
So 2 into 6. Then plus 2 into minus 3. And then plus minus 1
minus 1 into 2.
This is equal to 12 minus 6 minus 2. 12 minus 6 minus 2. And this is equal to what? 4, isn't it? 4.
Oh, yes,
Now,
sir.
what is A and what is B? How to find out A and B?
Sir, magnitude, sir.
Magnitude. So the A is now A is equal to this magnitude of A. And how to find out the magnitude of A? Root over 2 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And this is what?
3.
This is 4 plus 4 plus 1. That means 8, 9. That means root over 9 is equal to 3. Clear? This is equal to 3. And what is magnitude of B? This is the magnitude of B like this. And from this we can write 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 2 square. And this is what? 36 plus 9 plus 4. This is equal to
49.
49. That means root over 49 is equal to 7. So we have got A dot B from here, and we have got A also B. Therefore, we can just write theta is equal to, putting this value, put this value A dot B here, and put this value A into B here, magnitude of A and B. So therefore, you can give a name of this equation. This is equation 1 or A, or give 1. Now putting the values, the values of A dot B and AV in 1, we get theta is equal to cos inverse. What is A dot B? A dot B is
4, sir.
4, and AB is equal to 3 into
3 into 7, sir.
7. That means cos inverse 4 by 3 into 7 is 21, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
4 by 21. So this is equal to your
79.02.
29.
right, 79 degree approximately. You can find it from the your calculator, approximately, right? So these are the angle between two vectors. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you may not get the exact problems from the class. So if I give this sort of problems, changing the digit, understood? Can you answer in the exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are, so
স্যার
you
1
have to
মিনিটের
know the,
মধ্যে আজকে স্যার আবার আপনার মিটিং হয়ে যাবে স্যার। ওই যে আপনার 40 মিনিটের মিটিং এর টাইম স্যার, ওইটা 1 মিনিটের মধ্যে শেষ হয়ে যাবে।
okay, so then again you join, right?
আবার আমরা জয়েন করব না স্যার?
Yeah. If it is finished, then you join again. Clear? বুঝতে পেরেছো? Can I have it?
Yes, sir.
Recording in
Dalak na.
progress.
কেন?
না স্যার, একবার প্রথমে দিছি, এখন আবার দিব।
অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স সবসময় দিতে হবে। আজকে আমি একটা 35-এ ইউ উইল রিমাইন্ড, একটা 35-এ অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স তোমাদেরকে নিব, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, এখন আমরা লেট আস সলভ অ্যানাদার প্রবলেম। আরেকটা অঙ্ক আমরা দেখি,
স্যার,
এবং সেটা হচ্ছে,
স্যার আমি সকালে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিতে পারিনি স্যার, নেট প্রবলেম ছিল। এরপরে আসছি, হঠাৎ করে মিটিং ক্লোজ হয়ে গেছে স্যার। পরে আমি স্যার সকালে স্যার।
সকালে কে নিয়েছে ক্লাস? ওই যে মেজর।
জি স্যার।
সব ক্লাসেই তোমাকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিতে হবে, সকাল বলে কথা নয়। তোমাকে ইন ইচ ক্লাস ইউ হ্যাভ টু গিভ ইউর অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স। এটা প্রত্যেকটা পিরিয়ডের জন্য আলাদা আলাদা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স হয়, ঠিক আছে? তোমাদের অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সে কিন্তু দেয়ার ইজ সাম মার্কস। অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সে ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ইফ ইউ মিস 70 more than 70% class or 80% class, that time you may be discollegiate. Okay, there is a discollegiate and non-collegiate system. You know the system from the department, right? So do not be discollegiate or non-collegiate, and you will not be able to appear at the exam that time. Clear? Let
Yes,
us
sir.
solve another problem. Find the projection of vector A on vector B. Okay, so let us go for solve another problem from the cross product. From the cross product, let us go to solve one problem. Okay, number 29. A is equal to thrice I minus j plus 2k. B is equal to twice I plus j minus k, and C is equal to I minus twice j plus twice k. So find A cross B, then bracket, then cross C, and find A cross B cross C. Okay. So this is suppose this is equal to, this is A and this is B. So how to find out A cross B cross C? How? What is A cross B? Now A cross B, this is equal to what? In the determinant form, we know I, J, and K, isn't it? You have to find out the A cross B. Here A is this, B is this. So 3 minus 1 plus 2. And B is this. The component you have to write in the component to be in the third row. This is 2, 1.
Recording in progress.
I, and this is plus 7j, and this is plus 5k. Are you getting? Minus I plus 7j plus
Yes, sir.
5k. So we have got, this is A cross B. Now what will be the A cross B cross C? Therefore A cross B cross C is equal to, so A cross B is this, isn't it? Minus I 7J plus 5K cross, what is C? C is this. C is what? I minus twice J plus twice K. So how to find out this? Again, I, J, K, and the component of this minus 1, 7, 5, and the component of this 1, minus 2, then 2. Okay, বুঝতে পেরেছ? So if you simplify, then you will get, if you simplify like earlier one, what you will get? You simplify this, okay? বুঝতে পেরেছ?
Yes, sir.
If you simplify, then you will get 24
4I, 7J plus 7J
plus 7J
minus 5K.
minus 5K. Okay. So in this way you solve B also. For B, what you do? You find out B cross C first. Understood? And then you will find out A cross B cross C. And then you will simplify the previous one. How much time is left?
Sir, 7
Sir,
minutes.
7 minutes.
Okay. So there are many problems. Understood? You will solve. I am just telling you, you solve all those. Otherwise, you may face difficulties in the exam. You solve number 13. 13, then 16, and then the 27, 28, 20, 30, 31, 32, and then the triple product 38, then 40, 39, 40. Okay. And all the important problems you have to solve. You see 40, 45, 47. These all are done in the book. You solve all those, and in the next class we will go vector differentiation. Okay. In the next class we will go for the vector differentiation. Clear?
Sir, 5 minutes left.
So let us go for the roll call. First, group A. I will call this is the third class today. So 4086, 400, 4004, 4006.
Present, sir.
4006 present.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
4086 present, sir.
4008, 4010,
Yes, sir.
4010, 4012, 4014,
Present, sir. 4012.
1416, 4018.
Yes, sir. 18 present. Sir, 16 present.
20 4020 4024
Sir, 4024 present.
226 28
26 present, sir.
28 present, sir.
30 34 36
36 present, sir.
38
38 present,
40
sir.
4040
Present, sir.
42 then 44 48
Void present,
48
sir.
50 60 62
Yes, sir.
64
62 present, sir. 62 present, sir.
64 present, sir.
62 present 64 present
Present, sir.
666 68
6-8 present, sir.
70 74
Present, sir.
74 present, sir.
Present.
70
Present, sir.